What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. We had an amazing day today, guys. All winners. Just a wonderful, wonderful day. Great way to start the launch of the SPY Options Mastery book, guys. It was very impressive. Very, very happy. I'm going to be breaking it all down for you, all right? So if you're ready, let's step right into the war zone. So first and foremost, guys, let's go ahead and let's do the SPY intraday recap right off the bat. So as you can see here, guys, we have the 5-minute chart here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark the previous day's high and low. Okay. So here is the previous day's high, which is basically Friday's high, and the low is down here. All right. So right off the bat here, guys, I'm going to go to a 3-minute chart so we can see this better. Okay. And then let me pop open the Discord for you guys, and then let me walk you through everything and how we went to today. All right, so first and foremost, guys, let me hit the replay so we can discuss this. And I need to draw another line here, which is the trigger trade that we had. So the trigger trade we had was 476.64 long. Okay, so I'm going to draw that 476. Oops. 476. Did I say 64? Am I saying it wrong right now? 476.64. Okay, boom. And I'm going to put this in green. Okay, so this is the trigger long. And then what I'm trying to do here, guys, I'm trying to show you how your chart should be set up before the day. Okay, so I have the previous day's high. I have the previous day's low, which is here. Okay, and then I have my trigger. So the green line is the trigger to go long. So above that, I want to go long. Okay, and then let's do the short. So the short is 474.89. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. 474.89. All right. Shout out to the Trading Wars Army members in the building. Hit me with a TW Army Spy VIP Holy Grail. Happy to see you guys, man. Really, really happy to see you guys. Welcome back, man. We killed it today. We killed it. Absolutely destroyed it. Crushed it. All right. So the green line here is our trigger long, and the green line here is our trigger short. The red line is the previous day's low, and the red line here is the previous day's high. So we have everything marked up, okay? And I'm going to walk you through step by step what I did. So boom, first candle comes in right here. So now this candle, guys, notice how it's pressing up against the previous day's high. It didn't break it, or it's not above it, but it's close enough that I'm interested in taking a trade. All right. So right here, the first 3-minute candle comes in. We're triggered long for the trigger. So the trigger is already filled. We touch the green line. We're in long. That's an automated trade, guys. So these triggers, we set them up the night before, fully automatic. You don't have to do anything. It hits a target or hits a stop loss. That's it. So that's a fully automatic trade. What I did from a live trading perspective, we had the 3-minute opening range breakout here. We just took it. As soon as we broke that high, guys, we took the 3-minute opening range breakout, and that was it. Boom, right there. Okay. So you'll see I also had the target. So the target for the long is 477.23. I talk about the triggers in my new book, guys. So if you want to learn more about them, definitely grab a copy. Okay. So here we go. So right here, pretty right there, guys, I was out 90% of the position. So we go ahead, we have an opening range breakout on the 3-minute. That's a winner. And then the trigger long hits a target. That's a winner. Beautiful. All right. And then just to show you guys the commentary for the proof. So this morning, see, so this is at 9:31, trigger long, 3-minute orb coming up here. Be ready for this. Long orb and trigger, scale up partials. And then here was the winner, trigger hitting targets. Boom, baby, 2022. We are here. Boom. So that was clean. All right. So from here, guys, the next setup that came was this beautiful inside bar. So remember, I have a target. Okay, I have a target. You always need to have targets. So as a day trader, when you're day trading, guys, you need to have targets. You need to be in and out, in and out. That's how you make money in a day trading perspective. When you swing trade, when you invest, you sit in it, you hold it. But day trading, it's like we want to get in, we want to make 1 to 2 times our money, we want to get out. Okay, that's how we do it. So right here, guys, we had this inside bar at the top of the range, right? And then check this out. Bam. Beautiful, beautiful drop with that inside bar, guys, right? Actually, let me replay it so I can show you slowly. So This inside bar comes up in the bot. So you can see the bot 5-minute inside bar, right? And then we break, the next bar breaks the low, guys. This is the pause before the storm. And then check this out. Bam. So that one went for over 200% for the puts. And then from there, guys, remember this green line I said here? This was the short trigger. So on the way down, guys, the short got filled and it hit the target as well. So we made automated money. So automated means we put the order in the night before we have a target and it just does its own thing, right? So we broke to the upside, filled, hit the target, broke to the downside, filled, hit the target, stacked it with the opening range breakout in an inside bar, just absolutely perfect. And right around here, guys, when you have about 3 or 4 trades, maximum 5 trades, that's when you want to walk away for the day. You don't want to overtrade. You never want to do that. So that's, you'll see if you're in the SPY room with me, I pretty much go 2 or 3 trades and call it, because the most of the volume is going to be in the morning or at the close. So you don't want to get chopped out in the middle of the day. And then you can see after this, guys, we have one more inside bar that forms at the lows. And this inside bar is the low of day that takes us back up. But notice how the rest of the day, we just kind of chopping, right? But these are definitely tradable if you want to trade the fibs. I'll show you some examples. If I take it from the high to the low right here, here is a little 618 rejection right here, okay? And then if I take it from the other side here, from this low to this high, you'll see right here, we have the bull algo stepping in right there, boom, on the 786 perfectly. So if you're going to play through chop, you're better off using a fib most of the time, okay? Or guys, you can wait around for special patterns. So look, we had a lot of nirvanas today. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one was a winner. This one was a loser. This and this one were huge winners, guys. So make sure you have the Nirvana indicator on your chart. I was not playing around when I created that indicator, guys. I was not. So here, tradingwars.com. Listen, I launched the book yesterday and I'm just grateful and I'm proud of the work that we did, because on the first day that we launched the SPY book, it already paid for itself. All right. And let me show you some of the gains from the members in the Discord. Share your success right here. Check this out, guys. See, killing it. All right. So I'm just grateful for that, guys. I'm just blessed. I feel so happy when I put out work and it's successful and it helps other people to achieve their goals. All right. So make sure if you have the link for the 10% off, that is going to expire soon. So if you want to grab a copy, make sure you sign up soon for the $89.99. Otherwise, grab it from the website right here, guys. This comes with all my indicators. So if you want the Nirvana indicator for life, grab any one of my books, guys, and you can get that. All right. And yeah, so the SPY book is there, guys. I walk through everything, what I do, step by step. All right. And it's the same thing that we do, guys. We keep it simple. So hit me with a 2 if you followed me on that recap. Was really clean day, man. Really, really clean. Couldn't ask for more. I was just smiling all day long because I was like, man, I was scared that when I launched the book, if we started today with a loser, then like how people would think or whatever. And because we got a lot of new members, right? But I was just so grateful that we did that. So thank you. And thank you for you guys for supporting me. We had great giveaways yesterday. It was awesome. So let me go to the daily. The other thing that I wanted to mention, guys, is we have a new signal for a swing trade right now. Another outside bar has formed. I'm still holding the puts from this one. So this probably is going to go to 0. But I'm looking for a new swing trade right now on this outside bar that I've posted in the Discord. Okay, so that's ready to rock and roll. Let's look at the stocks real quick, and then let's look at the giveaway. Let's do a giveaway for the top comment from yesterday. Okay, so guys, yesterday I posted Neo, Tesla, Intel, PLTR for my picks that I was looking for. Exactly expecting something like this on Tesla, guys. We had a very calm day on Friday with a nice pause inside bar, and then Tesla's up 13% today. And that's how the big boys play, guys. Remember, let me ask you guys a question. What is the purpose of this inside bar? Remember what I told you. So get the pen and the paddle, open up the SPY book right here. Let me have my SPY book right here. Open up the SPY book, get the pen and the paddle. Let's go here, page 9. Okay. And then I want you to write this down. The purpose of this inside bar right here, guys, is to kill option premiums. Look at I want you guys to take a picture of this chart and always remember what I'm telling you. The market makers on Friday, they kept Tesla in a tight range. They killed those premiums on Friday. And look what they do today. They gap up and they rip. And that's what I was telling you guys about. If you want to front run, if you want to get in even before the triggers or before the orbs or before the fractals, you can take a chance on the inside bars when they close. Right when they close, at the end of the day, you can take a chance to say, okay, I'm going to do calls, I'm going to do puts. In this case, guys, you have to pick a bias. So for me, the reason that the bias depends on whatever you want it to be, right? But for me here, I was 100% only bullish on Tesla, guys, because this is the normal strategy that I use. When we are close to all-time highs, we want to always be long. And the reason is because if you are right, then the stop run for the bears is going to be so powerful that you can make a ton of money. And that's what the market makers did. So hit me with the 3 if you followed me there. All right. Remember this. The inside bar, the purpose is to decay option premiums, to burn them down, to trap in a tight range. And then the market makers, when they're ready, they come in. And most of the gain was made over the weekend, right? But you could still have made some good money here on Tesla right here. First 5-minute bar, guys, opening range breakout, bam, there she goes. Okay, so opening range breakout, holy grail, a little scalp, nothing much. And then we had this nirvana, this beautiful nirvana here, guys, that set up later in the day, beautiful push up. So this is what we call a gap and go. So Tesla, very, very clean. Let me go to the alerts in the stock room and just make sure that came in. So Tesla, here we go. Here are all the alerts, inside bar coming in. And then if you're doing options, right? If you see, these are the triggers. So if you're doing options and you gap up above this line, so if you gap up above it, then you'll automatically be filled at the market price if you're using a conditional market order. Okay, so that's how you can get in automated. All right, so we had Tesla. The next one, Neo, guys. So Neo, right, was a nice tight inside bar. Same type of pattern here, guys. We had an opening range breakout. That was a beautiful winner. And then remember what I teach you guys about the gap fill, right? So here's that open gap right there, guys. So when we come back down to this gap fill, guys, we have this little doji, right? And that's a gap fill trade, okay? But yes, nice opening range breakout. Then later on in the day, we had this outside bar right in the middle of the range. Took you for a little push up. Nothing too big on Neo though. All right, let's go Intel. So Intel, guys, Intel was very, very clean. Let me go ahead and pull up Intel. Let me pull up the trading plan for Intel because this one was nice. So here, guys, I post these trading plans every night for the members. They can use this to help guide them. So entry was 5209 on Intel right here. Let me go ahead and draw that. So 5209, guys, boom. So see, this is a trigger. Okay, so you can set this up the night before. We come in here, the first 5-minute bar, boom, breaks through the trigger. You're filled at 5209. We even come back and retest it. So if you missed the initial break, we come back and retest it, and then we just rip straight to the moon, guys. So very, very nice. Very, very nice. I love that play there. You can also draw a fib on this one. If we take it from the low to the high, you can see that pullback lined up right on the 50 with that trigger. So beautiful. I mean, Tesla clean, Intel clean, Neo. The bars were big, but if you were trading shares, you could definitely make some money on that, right? And then the next one here, guys, we have is PLTR. So PLTR, right? We had the same type of thing. We had a trigger right down here. Boom. So we had the opening range breakout winner. Then the trigger was a winner. And then look at the bottom of the range. We have an inside bar beauty right there. Okay. Inside bar beauty. Bam, bam, bam. Beautiful. Okay. I see some questions about triggers and automated orders. It's not complicated at all. But you need to call your broker to help you set it up because it depends on your account. You may not have access. You might have access, guys. When it comes to your broker, you need to do your due diligence and call them and sit with them and tell them what you're trying to do. That's what I did. That's how I figured out how to do automated orders. I sat with interactive brokers for an hour on the phone. Make sure you do it because everybody's account is different. So I don't want to I don't want to tell you guys what to do if you don't have the privileges, if you don't have the margin, etc. Make sure you do call your broker to help you. Okay. So that's very important. So there we go, guys. Clean, honestly, almost a perfect day. I think it is a perfect day in my head. Neo was the only one that I would say would be a little bit harder, but everything else here was clean, guys. Really, really clean. Okay. I really love it today, man. I'm just happy we launched the book, and the book, we made money on the day we launched the book. That's all that matters to me. So hit me with a 4 if you guys are following me there. Let me go ahead on the YouTube right here Trading Wars Army members, hit me with a TW Army Spy VIP. Let me go ahead and the video from yesterday. Remember, I told you guys on part 6 that I'm gonna pick a comment from here. Okay, for a free giveaway winner here. Okay, so let's do that. So we have 50 comments, and we're gonna do a random number generator right now, and we're gonna pick it 1 to 50. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Boom. Number 4 is the winner. Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nickel right here. Nikhil. Hey, Rich, I'm a newbie trader. Learning a lot from your videos, very educational, giving away a new perspective to my trading journey. Thanks for all you do. All right, brother, you are the winner. DM me on Twitter, and I'll hook you up with your book. Thank you very much for your time. Guys, let me like all of this. I appreciate you guys, man. Thank you so much for the comments. Hey, man, I'm going to tell you what I do, guys. It's simple. It's straightforward. I have helping the people, and just at one point, guys, at one point, we're going to blow up. We're going to blow up. I just know it because there's nobody that does what I do every single day. I made the How to Trade Spy series for a living, 6-part series, guys, that people would charge you thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. Trust me, because those same people tried to sell me that knowledge for thousands of dollars. So I'm 100% sure, guys, we're going to blow up. So let me just make sure I like everybody here. Thank you. All right, so this is what we're going to do. Trading Wars Army members, do you guys have any chart requests for me? Or do you have any questions? Trading Wars Army members, okay? I told you guys I'm going to support you guys. So like Melly right here. Melly has the green. She's a Trading Wars Army member. She subscribed to the YouTube, okay? So do you have any chart requests or any questions for me? If not, battle to fight, another war to win, all right? And guys, normally, if you have a good day on a Monday, that should mean you're profitable for the rest of the week. You just have to trade properly. Don't over trade. Don't over risk. Make sure you respect your profit. So hopefully the rest of this week should be good and we can stay profitable and not have any issues. Okay. All right. All right. So I don't see any questions or chart requests coming in from the members right now. And that's totally fine. I wanted to keep it short and sweet today and just get back to the grind. All right. Make sure, guys, you grab a copy of the book while you can. Okay. If you have the $89.99 link, you got to use it soon. It's going to expire. Okay. Otherwise than that, man, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate you. I hope you learned. We keep it simple. We have free indicators. We get the job done for the people every single day. Okay. Bang, baby. Take care.